Video games are products of a thriving industry, both in the US and abroad. And the number of careers pertaining to the creation of these games has increased exponentially. As a result, more and more students are working towards taking their passion for interactive virtual worlds and turning it into a career in game design.
Game development as a whole is a lot more visible and viable as a career. It has a very competitive starting salary, especially compared to other fields. And there's also a lot of aspects that go into game development. There's not only art and programming, but there's graphic design and business development and creative writing and pretty much anything that you can imagine. There's a lot of aspects that go into it.
Here at Laguna College of Art and Design, students enrolled in our game art and game design programs are on their ways to careers that thrives on creativity and imagination, and that positively impact the world around them in fun, educational, and engaging mediums. LCAD's programs empower students to take their creative lead in imagining and bringing virtual worlds to life so they can go on and have successful careers in the gaming industry.
LCAD's game program has a very progressive atmosphere in it, where students are coming from all sorts of different backgrounds and working together to create games that reflect the type of games that they want to be playing, and trying to make a more positive impact on this ever-changing environment. One of the things that we do here in the game art program is make sure that we partner students with professionals right off the bat. So their first semester, a lot of their instructors are from the industry, and this gets them used to mingling with them on a daily basis. So that way they're thinking about them more as future coworkers rather than rock stars to put up on a pedestal.
We have such a great student-teacher ratio. It's small. You get that intimate experience that you don't get in a big classroom. The industry remembers you. You get more contacts. You build your networks. LCAD is based in traditional skill sets and foundational training in the classical arts of story and design. Our mission is to help guide students towards meaningful and gainful employment, to produce developers that make games that matter.
Founded in 1961 and located across several scenic acres in Southern California, Laguna College of Art and Design offers Bachelor of Fine Arts degrees in 7 majors and enjoys a long storied history of not only creating great artists, but great citizens of the world.
I have the best of the best on our teaching teams for both the BFA and the MFA. 90% of our faculty are industry professionals, which gives students an upfront and personal experience. Oftentimes, game art programs will come out of computer science departments, and sometimes they have difficulty in visualizing the art aspect of the production process. At LCAD, we built the production pipeline first in the game art major, and we built it on the backs of the other majors at LCAD, addressing the needs of our neighboring industry. As a result, companies like Blizzard, Obsidian Entertainment stepped up to be part of our teaching team and gave to us a technical expertise to add to our curriculum. We have been partnering with USC's Game Pipe Engineering Lab for over 10 years now, and from that we have garnered an International Games Festival winner, several finalists, and other colleges interested in joining our ranks of partnering with us.
Forward-thinking, industry-ready leaders and team players, LCAD game graduates are taught to aim ahead of the industry, which creates highly sought-after alumni.
So when I was looking for an art college, I really was looking at a few different criteria. I was looking for something close to Los Angeles because that's where a lot of studios are, and something that I could walk out of there with a bachelor's degree, and something that really taught and focused on the fundamentals of art, such as figure drawing and the principles of design, and LCAD really checked all those boxes for me.
The games industry is bigger than the movie, radio and television industries combined today. And there's all different types of jobs that are available in the games industry, from designer to production manager to developer, artist, subject matter expert, art historians. It's really a broad palette to paint on. The LCAD MFA is a perfect vehicle to get your terminal degree. A school like this, the artists get hired in a heartbeat. There's very little competition in this space.
Our big push right now is thinking of games as a lot more than entertainment. It's a place where you can practice morals, a place where you can work on responsibilities, and a place where you can really make an impact or a difference in the way someone thinks about and reflects their world. Trends are always going to come and go, but if you're making something authentic to what you want to create, what you want to experience in a game, then that's going to resonate with people. Authenticity is a timeless thing that makes classics instead of just blockbusters.
Let us help you turn your passion into a career. Learn more today about the game art and game design programs at Laguna College of Art and Design. Great art matters.